This is my augmented reality art. When viewed through a phone or tablet with the app I built installed, the artwork comes to life right in front of your eyes. Once activated, it's possible to explore the digital world the same way you would a kinetic sculpture. Only, since it's digital, you can walk inside it as well. The image targets were all created using old cardboard boxes and spray paint. As you can tell, I love the aesthetic of broken and discarded things collaged together. I like giving purpose to things that seem to have lost theirs. I feel deeply for inanimate objects. As does Bernard, the anxiety-riddled bird walking in these pieces with his best friend Egg. All of this was recorded live, in-app, at my show titled New Bernard Style at the Godfrey Dean Art Gallery in Yorkton earlier this summer. None of this would have been possible without the generous support of Sask Arts and the Canada Council for the Arts. Thank you for watching.